Experiencing a not registered on network error with your Ultra Mobile SIM? This issue typically means your device can't connect to Ultra Mobile's network, which operates on Verizon's infrastructure. This problem often arises during SIM card activation or after a network change. A few common causes are SIM provisioning delays, incorrect APN settings, or network selection problems. The good news is, in most cases, you can resolve this yourself. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to get back online. We will cover manual network selection and APN settings, as these are typically the two most common solutions. First, ensure your device is set to automatically select the network. Go to your phone's settings, find Network and Internet or Connections, then Mobile Network, and finally, Network Selection. Make sure it's set to automatic. If that doesn't work, manually select Verizon. Next, check your APN settings. The correct APN for Ultra Mobile is typically Wholesale or VZ Winternet. You can find APN settings in the same mobile network area of your settings. Create a new APN if one doesn't exist or the existing one is incorrect. Enter the APN as Wholesale or VZ Winternet if Wholesale doesn't work. Leave other fields blank or as default. Save the new APN and select it. Restart your device. In 2025, Ultra Mobile provides real-time network diagnostics in its app to help with active SIM status and APN updates. So that should be your first place to look if manual configurations are not working.